Welcome back to FountainFX on Tuesday the 22nd of April 2014. We're looking at the daily chart for the Euro US dollar. We can see that from last week price really didn't have any clear direction of what it wanted to do. It did a lot of spiking up and down, created all these dojis. Monday was significant, price fell, and then after that price went sideways. With the open with yesterday, very much low volatility, but price was still moving and price fell, and then today prices started to move in an upward direction, which I just want to go into in terms of lower time frames and just walk through certain things that I've been looking at in terms of trading or opportunities and what the market's been showing. So let's just quickly go down to a 15-minute chart. Actually, before we go to the 15-minute chart, I want to show you the 1 hour chart. So the 1 hour shows that prices run from the highs of Thursday down to the highs of Monday, and it's in this downtrend. So price has been falling rapidly from these levels. So we need to be aware of where price is at. So this level here, the 138.27, shown an area of where price has fallen from, and the 138.60 is another area. So I'm marking those on the chart, and I'm also marking a trend line as price falls. Now the other thing I did look at this morning was price was here before, previously showed an area of support where price then rallied up from, and support again was confirmed at this point with this wick here. However, what's happened this morning is price came up to it and then fell from it, but it didn't continue to fall and break through previous lows. So I was waiting for a short at this area, the 138.04, and price has broken through it. So I haven't had the opportunity to enter the short in at this point, and price is continuing to move up. And if you look at these long wicks on the hourly chart, we can see that actually it's showing that there's buying pressure coming into the market. So if we now go down to a lower time frame again, so we come down to the 15-minute chart, and we can see that at 138.12 on yesterday afternoon, price fell rapidly from there. It fell from the 138.12, it fell all the way down to the 137.87. So that was a 25-point move. And the thing is, we want to be looking for sort of 20 plus point moves in our trading. At the moment, because there's a lack of volatility, there's a lack of volume in the market at the moment because of the holiday season, it's a bit difficult to be able to pick good trades where you take a trade and price moves with momentum from it. Anyway, this morning we can see that price in the Asian session just went sideways between the 137.96 and 137.87, so literally 9 points top and bottom for almost a period of 12 hours. Then this morning it pushed down just below this low and then started to rally with some momentum, some force out of it, pulled back down to it and then rallied higher. So we are currently in an uptrend, but it's still sort of fighting this upwards momentum. It's as if it's trying to break through a lot of opposing trades, selling and buying trades, so it is pushing up. But the one thing we need to be aware of is that this area up here at the 138.12, it did fall with a rapid momentum, and also from the 1 hour chart there is a bigger picture downtrend, and this is the trend line that's off that 1 hour chart, showing that actually it's coming into this 138.12 is an area of confluence where we've got the trend line and also the resistance from yesterday that's converging at that point. So we could potentially see some downward selling pressure at this point as more traders use that to trade with. But the key thing we want to see is we want to see this upward trend broken. We want to see it turn into a downward trend for us to really get confirmation that we now need to be selling and that its price is moving in the same direction as the big picture trend. So this is really what we're waiting for at this point, and we'll see how that pans out, and we will talk to you tomorrow. So thank you very much from FountainFX.